Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to explain a very important followers for our country. It's also important for our economic and also something more. In this video I'm going to tell you. And also you're seeing this beside me. I am right now the mustard flower, and this is the only field which field these flowers is being ground and in this being grown, and it's also cultivated. Also you're hearing and seeing this, it's very popular and also popular. Beside this field there is a main road, and those road is being repairing right now also. But if you focus this field, you will see something like that. It is not plenty of food, but as much as it's about to the harvesting time of these flowers, and most of the followers is about to the healing like type of these things also. And I think you can see this properly, and especially behind this. And obviously it is very important place, and a long time later I have been waiting to make a video with this area, and finally I have got chance to make this video here. And also this is very important. Do you have this type of flowers or mustard flowers field? Of course, comment me. I'll go to visit your own districts to make this type of video. And today's sunny, it's a little bit hot. By the way, come to the topics. The topics is the flowers, the mustard flowers. I also I'm sorry, it's not a mustard flowers. I forgot right now the real name. From these flowers you can produce the oil. This oil is very high because if you use or if you eat this oil, it is very healthy and very helpful for your body from head to your leg. So whatever you use. So usually you do not use this because this flowers is very high price, and also the oil per kilogram is very high. And overall if you see this, and I never found, I just walking behind this road and coming to here to, oh, I just saw this. Oh my god, it's a very beautiful place. If I could come here just 1 or 2 weeks ago, I could capture more better followers, but it's very pleasure for me. But end of the day I have got this type of followers here. I hope you are seeing like this and enjoying most of the things you can learn this. But these followers is very beautiful. I like it most, and it is also everyone should produce or cultivate this type of followers, because these followers important for our economic, important for our health, and we should keep up eating our audible oil that has been using for our birth time to life. It is very harmful which oil we usually take it in our body, but this flowers is natural. There is no any harmful elements or ingredients. You can easily use these flowers and you can eat this easily. This video just like this way. I hope this video must help you. If you really like this video, of course comment down, and if you like this type of video, I will make more. Just please comment on the comment box. Goodbye for now. Come back the next video with very soon.